Have you ever wanted an easier way to select multiple files in Windows Explorer without constantly holding down the Shift or Control keys? Well, here's a simple trick that can seriously improve how you manage your files. Start by opening any folder on your computer. Any regular folder will do. At the top of the window, click on the View tab. Now, move your mouse down to the Show option in the dropdown. From here, you'll see an option called Item Checkboxes. Just click to enable it. The moment you do, checkboxes will appear next to all the files and folders in your Explorer window. It's a small change, but a powerful one. You can now select multiple files just by clicking their checkboxes. No need to hold down any keys. It's super convenient, especially when you're organizing, copying, or moving a lot of files at once. And if you ever want to switch it off, it's just as simple. Head back to the View tab, go to Show, and uncheck Item Checkboxes. That's it. Back to normal. Now you know how to make file selection in Windows Explorer quicker and easier than ever before. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more quick and practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.